Hi everybody, I'm Gabby and welcome back to TaylorToned. Today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to do the fire hydrant. I use fire hydrants a lot in my workouts, so head back to my YouTube homepage if you want to work out after this tutorial. The fire hydrant is great for your glute muscles, great for your abductor muscles, and really good for strengthening the core. Let me show you the exercise. Bringing yourself in towards a 4-point position. Hands underneath your shoulders, knees a little bit narrower than your hips. Eye line is down in between your fingertips, and from the crown of the head down to the tailbone is in an elongated position. Squeeze the heel towards the glute to activate through the hamstring. Find a breath, inhale in. And as you exhale, keep the hips square to the floor, lift the leg to the side, and then close it back down again. Keeping the hips square towards the floor, planting those hands in towards the floor and using the breath to lift the leg up towards the side. Few common mistakes with this one is sinking in towards the shoulder girdle, so the chest is coming too low, or coming up too high out of the shoulder girdle, so you're coming in towards this cat position. Another common thing is when you're lifting the leg to the side, you're opening through the hip. I want you to make sure throughout the exercise the hips are square down towards the floor, the core is controlled, the belly button pulls up towards the spine, the hips stay square. Another really common thing with this one is as you lift the leg to the side, you push in towards the shoulder. Try to keep everything square down towards the floor. If you want to modify this exercise, any wrist issues, you can always bring it on towards the forearm, and you want to create the number 11 with your forearms. Squeeze the heel towards your glute, inhale, exhale, lift the leg to the side. Every time you lift that leg towards the side, I want you to make sure the knee's not coming forwards here. You've got that knee just to the side or slightly past the hip angle. Otherwise you'll just get in towards your hip flexors. If there's any other moves that you would like help with, you want a tutorial on, drop me a comment down below in the comment section. Hit that subscribe button and go and check out a full body 30-minute workout right now. See you again soon. Bye.